Hey guys, welcome back to HelloVSTV. Today we are checking out something really crazy, the Lymow 1 Plus robotic lawn mower. Most robotic mowers we have tested here feels more like small maintenance tools for perfectly flat lawns. But this thing is built like a tank and it's completely different. The Lymow 1 Plus comes with dual rotary blades, tank-style tracked wheels, RTK plus VSLAM navigation, AI obstacle avoidance, and the ability to climb slopes up to 45 degrees. So today we are going to see if this is finally the robotic mower that actually performs like a real lawn mower. Let's get started. Right away, that first thing you notice is the design. This does not look like a typical robotic mower. It feels much more rugged and heavy duty. The body uses a reinforced aluminum alloy frame, and the tracked drive system immediately tells you this thing is designed for difficult terrain. One of the biggest highlights here is the new Lymow system 2.0. Instead of tiny razor-style blades like many robotic mowers use, the Lymow 1 Plus uses upgraded SK5 tool steel rotary blades for stronger cutting power and longer durability. It also has a cyclone airflow cutting system that lifts flattened grass before cutting, helping create a cleaner and more even result. And honestly, this already feels much closer to a traditional mower experience. Setup is actually pretty simple. The mower uses RTK plus VSLAM navigation, so there is no need for perimeter wires. You just need proper positioning for the RTK station with relatively open sky visibility. Inside the app, you can fully customize the mowing experience. Cutting height, mowing speed, mowing patterns, schedules, and even stripe angles. The app also supports multi-zone management with up to 80 zones and coverage for very large properties. The app also supports multi-zone management with up to 80 zones and coverage for very large properties. Now about the most important part, actual mowing performance. The Lymow 1 Plus uses a 16-inch cutting width with blades spinning at 6000 RPM, and compared to many smaller robotic mowers, this thing cuts aggressively. It handles tall grasses, dense grass, and uneven lawn conditions surprisingly well. The cutting height is adjustable from 1.2 inches all the way up to 4 inches, so you can really customize how your lawn looks. Now this is probably the biggest feature of this mower. The Lymow 1 Plus can handle also slopes up to 45 degrees, which is something most robotic mowers can struggle with. It can also cross obstacles up to 2.8 inch high, including roots, bumps, rocks, and uneven terrain. And because of the tracked threads, traction feels much more stable on difficult surfaces like wet grass, loose dirt, or bumpy ground. Watching this thing climb rough terrain almost feels like watching a mini off-road vehicle. Navigation is also very smart here. The RTK plus VSLAM system creates clean and organized mowing paths while helping the mower stay accurate even near trees or buildings. It also uses AI vision with ultrasonic sensors for obstacle detection and avoidance. And safety-wise, if the mower gets lifted off the ground, the blades stop immediately. There is also an emergency stop button that halts blade rotation in under 1 second. Two important sections that I would also like to highlight as well is that Lymow says the 1 Plus is designed to handle both warm season and cool season grasses, including Bermuda, tall fescue, and Kentucky bluegrass. When the battery gets low, the mower automatically returns to the charging station and resumes mowing exactly where it left off. So overall, I think the Lymow 1 Plus is one of the most capable robotic mowers we have tested so far. The combination of dual rotary blades, cyclone airflow cutting, tracked threads, aggressive slope handling, and smart navigation makes this feel much more serious than traditional robotic mowers. Especially if you have large lawns, uneven terrain, steep hills, or difficult grass conditions, this machine makes a lot of sense. you guys want to check this out, I will leave the link in the description below. This is all about today's review. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.